Hi, and welcome to the Flawless Salon Nails tutorial. For all the girls out there who realize that a salon mani-pedi may not always be possible, and those that have decided that clippers and a nail file is simply not enough. Thank you for purchasing the Flawless Salon Nails. In this tutorial, we'll cover our complete automated nail care system that provides every tool you'll need to shape, file, smooth, buff, shine, and clean up cuticles, all in the comfort and safety of your own home. You'll never be left without beautifully flawless nails again. So, let's get started. Inside the Salon Nails box, you'll find the nails handle with a cap, a charging cord, and a case with 6 different nail attachments, including A, the shape and file, B, the grind and smooth, C, the smooth and shine, D and E, the buff and cleanup, and F, the cuticle cleanup. These 6 attachments and our Salon Nails handle can give you the mani-pedi that rivals any salon. The first step is to fully charge the handle, which takes about 2 hours. Just insert the micro USB end of the cable into the charging port on the handle. When the charging is complete, the LED indicator light will turn off. The next step is to understand the handle markings and the available settings. Looking at the Salon Nails handle, you'll notice there's dots and a dash and then more dots. That's because Salon Nails offers a forward and reverse directional spin, as well as a low and high setting for each. The dots above the dash are the low and high speeds for forward direction. The dots below the dash are the low and high speeds for reverse direction. Choose the direction that pushes the nail dust and debris away from your hand. So, let's get started with how to change the heads. Take your Salon Nails handle and remove the clear protection cap. Select the mani-pedi attachment you'll want. I'll use the shape and file head for this example. Slip the head into the slot in the handle's top. Make sure it's firmly attached before turning the unit on. When satisfied, slide the power switch located on the front of the unit to low. The top of the unit should light up. We recommend that you always start your mani-pedi on low, moving to high if needed. When you're ready to use a different head, simply turn the power off, remove the head on the unit by pulling straight out, and place the next head on the unit and press down firmly. Follow these steps for each head change. It's just that easy. The first thing to know about your at-home mani-pedi kit is that every head has a very specific purpose. Once you learn them and how each head responds on your nails, you'll be using your Salon Nails like a pro. Now let's walk through each head and its purpose and some basic guidelines. So the shape and file, or head A. This is the pink inverted pyramid head. It's the biggest head in the kit, and it's pink, so it's easy to remember. It does precisely what its name implies, shapes and files. It's likely the most used nail salon's head. Grind and smooth, or head B. This is the silver metal bullet-shaped head that has a pink base. It's the largest metal head on the kit, so it's easy to remember too. This head does precisely what the name suggests, grinds and smooths. This head is great for removing thick gel polishes or thick ridges on the surface of the nail. Please note you want to keep a light, steady movement across the nail to avoid over-grinding in any one spot. Smooth and shine, or head C. This large white dome-shaped head feels a bit like coarse fur. And this head is great for buffing a naked nail, smoothing a polished nail, and leaving a nice, healthy shine. Please note that on a naked, unpolished nail, the smooth and shine head should be used sparingly and periodically, like once every 2 weeks or so. This helps ensure a healthy nail surface is maintained. And the shine with this head is a matte shine that will track light but not reflect it like a clear polish. Cleanup heads D and E. These are the small white stone heads. One is barrel-shaped and general purpose, and the other is tapered for more precision areas. These tools help you clean up polish residue from around the cuticle area, as well as the thin film that sometimes appears from nail growth around the bottom of the cuticle. And finally, the cuticle cleanup, head F. The smallest of the heads, this cone-shaped silver metal file provides extreme precision in the cleanup of cuticles around fingers and especially toes. And there you have it, the purpose of each head and how to remember it. For each and every head, here's the basic rule of thumb. Lightly glide the head over your nail according to the head's purpose. Do not apply pressure or you may take too much of your nail or cuticle off. Just skim the nail gently for 1 to 2 seconds and let the head do the work. Keep moving the unit in a nice flow for even results. Once you're done, rinse and dry your finger or toenails to remove any debris. Then paint or leave naked. Either way, your mani-pedi will look fabulous. And finally, here's how to make sure your Flawless Salon nail kit stays in great condition. Make sure the unit is off, remove the head attachment, clean the handle with a soft dry towel, replace the handle's cap, recharge if needed, and store the attachment heads in their case. Keep the handle heads and recharging cord in a dry area away from moisture. And note, the Flawless Salon Nails is not waterproof. Keep the unit and attachments in a dry place. And finally, always glide the heads across the nail gently, never applying pressure, starting on low, and graduate to high speed if needed. Always keep the unit in motion and never holding it in one spot. Do not use the Smooth and Shine tool more than once every 2 weeks. Well, that wraps up today's flawless tutorial. Thank you for choosing Flawless Salon Nails, your professional at-home solution for beautiful mani-pedis. Now you can hang 10 with confidence. And don't forget, you're flawless.